Good morning, traders. Ala Peters on January 6th. In front of you, the power of Alpha Fibonacci software. Alpha Fibonacci software identified. This is your critical institutional buy zone. This is your critical day trading resistance. Price is stuck. This is massive junk. Intelligent trader understands. Institutions continue buying every single pullback. Trades played out this morning are very, very aggressive. All the conservative trades played out before. So when price is stuck at alpha Fibonacci resistance, when massive junk is present, this is what intelligent trader understands and knows. When resistance is present, you do not buy near, do you? But this is institutional bullish trade. In trading, you have only two options: to ride institutional train or to be crushed by institutional power. There is no other option. What is the problem? This magnificent bullish train reached the brick wall. Do you have a conservative option in this market? No, you do not. You have only one option: to ride or to be crushed. So what is the software showing right now? What did we discuss with my incredible traders? Expect massive junk. This is broker's heaven. This is junk. This is what intelligent trader knows and understands. Bullish power is on, institutions adding to their longs, institutions not shorting the market, institutions not closing positions. But bullish rally overextended, reached the brick wall. This is gambling, this is not trading. This is when your trading shifts forever. When you stop babysitting junk, when you stop staring at the screen. If you decide to jump on bandwagon right now, you're programming your subconscious to trade junk. And we knew this ahead of the time, days in advance. That's the power of the system. That's the reason my incredible students are my friends for life. That's it. This is what my incredible traders know and understand. Taking advantage of these markets requires spectacular skill. When price stuck at resistance with worthless sellers, there is a conservative option? No, there is no conservative option. You're looking at massive junk. You're looking at broker's heaven. In current market conditions, it's playing out 60+% of the time. And here is why. This is little retail chart. This is little junky chart. Billions of dollars not traded on this chart. Billions of dollars traded on this chart. This is a chart that Goldman, JP Morgan trades. I know. I mentor them. When JP Morgan trader or Goldman trader takes $1 billion position, little retail trader do exact same thing. This is a vertical rally during the worst economic crisis. So when you trade your 1 minute, when you trade your 3 minute, when you trade your 11, 13, 15 range chart, or any chart you choose to trade, this is your most important chart that's telling you clearly there is no institutional short anywhere near. Goldman trade still long. And you knew this since March 23rd. So since March 23rd, you've taken any shorts, you traded against Goldman. You traded against JP Rock. You don't know anything about markets. Here's the power of the system for the last year. Bullish rally on S&P reaches reversal zone. This is the start of 2020. Intelligent trader understands. Price reverses and crashes from this level 80+% of the time. Intelligent trader understands the marker that identifies institutional sell-off. All the details in every Thursday class, and modules 3 and 4 you can view 24/7. So when price selling off and market in complete sell-off, intelligent trader knows where to expect reversal months in advance. 2200 reversal zone, correct? Price reaches 2200 level. Boom. Black Thursday. News is blaring. Worst Thursday in many, many years. Ouch. Really? Doesn't look that way on the chart. On the chart it looks like institutions buying market viciously. 10, 15, 20, 50, 500 trades plus on NASDAQ. S&P is flying, Dow is flying, Goldman taking positions. So if you're riding your little chart, you're enjoying the ride. You're taking spectacular, magnificent trades. Every single day market flooded with spectacular trades. Not excellent news. News remains horrific. Chart keeps flying higher and higher and higher and higher and higher. And when price comes to reversal zone, what does the intelligent trader knows? Key support remains respected. Institutions keep buying the market. No one in their clear mind touches any shorts. Longs remain on and on and on. Today, on January 6th, we're looking at overextended bullish rally. There is no more 10, 15, 20, 50, 500 trades per day. Institutional traders enjoying the biggest profits in years. Top 1% became 40+% richer. Crisis is opportunity for intelligent human being. Very few trades are present. And when price comes to resistance, market is dead. And that's the power of the system. And you know this. Days, weeks, months, and years in advance. All depends on the chart you trade. But brokers have it in a play. If you understand the system and you're buying at key support, you are a magnificent, intelligent, proactive trader. You have zero interest in junk, in chop. When institutions holding longs, very few trades are present. Intelligent trader knows the difference between trading here, 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 versus here. All identified months and years in advance. Because when billions of dollars take in positions, it takes days and weeks and months to take the position. But this is what the chart looked like a year ago. You knew many months where reversal zone will be. But intelligent trader understands what identifies institutional sell-off versus not. Here we are, 10 months later. Now, institutions holding longs. So when these vicious, nasty markets are present, because institutions holding longs, trader tested to the core. My incredible, brilliant, successful traders who making an effort know very, very clearly. When opportunity is present, enjoy the ride. Adnan killing it on NQ. This is music to my ears because Adnan's best friend, Emmanuel, who brought his wife Jennifer to the course, introduced Adnan to Fibonacci Trading Institute. It's an honor to work with Adnan. It's an honor to see how well Adnan is doing. Took many, many years until Adnan came to Fibonacci Trading Institute. I'm thrilled to see this. As Adnan says, this is the reason I live and breathe what I do. Thank you, Adnan. Richard does not trade in Q. Have you listened to Richard's podcast? As Richard shares how he doubled his demo account of $50,000 prior to trading live. Now Richard trading live. He does what Goldman trader would do. Because every single hedge fund trader must double and triple demo before anyone give them a penny. This is spectacular work of intelligent traders. Correct? So here we go, traders. Success rate 85%. This is the bottom, as I will show you time and time again, that multiple months bread produces much more than 85%. This is very humble low end. Richard shares I make about 6 points per day on ES. Adnan shares 80% success rate, 20% loss due to greed. Richard shares 90% success rate. Stunning, incredible, flawless work. This is what happens when you make an effort. This is what happens when you understand what institutions do and you ride Goldman train. You have only two options in trading: to ride with Goldman, to ride with institutions, or trade against them. There is no other option. Looking at this chart this morning, there is no surprise. We discussed with my incredible students that bullish power is on. But buying this high into the brick wall is gambling, not trading. This entire week, market been rallying. This entire week, price kept respecting support. And we knew this with software for many, many days. Your only option since January 4th is to buy, not to ever short near. This is how simple system is. And this is what incredible Jennifer, friend of Adnan, does, whose husband Emmanuel brought her to the course. Taking advantage of crisis, turning off the noise, despite two little babies at home. That's all you have to do. And when you see Brett's very humble statement, 85%, that's the bottom low. Bottom. This is his November, and here is his December. Do you see any losers? These are the worst market conditions, ladies and gentlemen. Worst, not best. Imagine what he can do in the best. Working from $10 per hour to $3,500 per day. Boom. This is what's possible if you make an effort. That's it. Do not overcomplicate trading. Do not babysit junk. Ride the train with institutions. And that's all you ever have to do. And if day trading not your cup of tea, it's not a problem. Ken took advantage of the crisis, trading long-term charts, tripling his account on cryptocurrencies. At times, Ken trades on his iPhone. He has zero interest in day trading. Brett, Richard, Edna, Jennifer love day trading. This year, more and more, we expand to stocks. So here's a question for traders. What traders like to trade? 13, 21, 60 minutes, 2 3-minute chart. All the traders understand. What are you seeing in front of you? We expected bullish crawl. We expected pain. Here's a critical resistance. As Brett says, trades are always there. You decide what instrument you want to trade. At current markets, on S&P, on Dow especially, you have 10 times less trades than you had last year, when every single day 15, 20, 50, 100, 500 trades. Because when billions of dollars taking the positions, that's when you trade. Now you are tested to the core. And if these traders do so well, so can you. These markets will test you to the core. And as long as institutions will continue holding longs, you will be tested to the core. As Brett says, mindset is critical. Absolutely. What do you see when price came to Alpha Fibonacci resistance? Do you see sell-off? No. Did we know this or did we know this? Of course. Goldman not shorting the market. JP Morgan not shorting the market. I know, I work with them. I love working with institutional traders because when I work with them, I coach my retail traders to think and live as Goldman, JP Morgan traders do. Price is stuck. You have only two options in life: to be top 1% or not. Which one do you want to be? You decide. If you want to be top 1%, you need to stop thinking as bottom 99% does. You need to think as billion-dollar trader. And when you do, the skies are the limit because you're riding Goldman train. You never, ever being crushed by institutions. You love riding the market with power only. Shock or not, when I work in private mentoring, I address your entire well-being. Look at this. 1 month, cholesterol dropped from 256 to 163. Yes, I do have multiple degrees, and well-being is a core of what I do. Agree? I am your life mentor. I love what I do because healthier your body, healthier your mind. Millions and millions of emails. This never, ever gets old. That's it. I love what I do. And that's a conversation we have every single day. Every single day in trading is psychological test. And as Brad shares, 95% think, how much money did I make? Oops! 95% never makes it in trading. These traders who succeed in trading think as top 1% does. They have zero interest being majority. And that remains the key. That's it. Trade with institutions and never, ever, ever against them. And that's the core of the system. That is a critical part. There is no other way to success. You must think, you must live, you must breathe as a billion-dollar trader. And when you do, the sky's are the limit. There is no other option to success. And that's incredible few minutes this morning with my incredible traders. Every single trader different account. Every single trader different instrument. Every single trader decides what trader wants to trade. With the system you only buy from green line. Correct? Only. With the system, your critical trend target when you trade with institutions is decision point 2. Decision point 2. After decision point 2, you trail. Institutions buying at green line. That's all you have to do. Scanner giving you alert. Enjoy the ride. Scanner giving you alert. Enjoy the ride. Choose your best trade. And if I convert this chart to any other chart, system remains the same. 5 minutes. Of course, green line means only longs are present. Decision point 2 remains your critical target. You're moving your stop outside of break-even. You never, ever, ever entering into red line. Never, ever. Red line means resistance. When red line is present, you look to short, not to buy the markets. Agree? It is that simple. Every single one of these lines has a meaning. Thicker the line, institutional levels. Thinner the line, retail levels. Combination of both is crucial. Critical power. This is what you want. And when this is present and rules are met, take a trade. So here's the system on Amazon in front of you. Here's the power of the system as you're looking at critical decision point 2 on Amazon. So when traders rave about the system long term and hedge fund managers trade the system long term, this is what they use. Buying the bottom, buying at support, taking profits off the table at decision point 2. And it doesn't matter if you trade gold. You remain the same. You're buying as low as possible, you're buying at support, and you never enter into reversal zone. By the time price reaches reversal zone, you out of your trade. At reversal zone, you only option to short. Oil, my incredible Saudi client, thrilled and loves oil stocks. Crash on oil was expected. System identified bottom many months and many years in advance. So here's the email from my Saudi student. Mustafa prior tried for 15 years, lost $30,000. Mustafa only trades long term. He has zero interest in day trading. Simple. So here's a short. Because it's resistance, that's the only option. Short is on. We knew this the entire morning. This is your strategic trading. You are not stressed out. You are not panicking. You understand extremely well. When red line is present, you never entering into. Institutions taking only longs. Conservative trader running, practicing golf swing, playing with a dog, playing with a baby, enjoying the pullback. Because lower the price will collapse, better institutional long will be. To the downside, this level is critical, 37.54, 75. This is the end of the minor trend. This is where buyers stepped in from an hour ago. Are you surprised? Bullish pullback already is here. This is the key. If this level remains respective, this is massive bearish correction. This is nothing. This is critical moment. And if this remains, there is no powerful longs. This is what intelligent trader understands. Staring at the screen, touching little junky shorts is never a recipe for success. It's a little retail pullback. It's the only option that's present. And that's what my brilliant intelligent trader understands. Programming your beautiful, incredible mind for success. They enjoying this pullback. They loving when market retracing. It's such a beautiful news. But every single one of these traders knows this is the key. This is the reason this line is so bright pink. Because if pullback remains here, it's nothing. It's worthless. Crash and burn, baby, come down here. This is where fun will be. It's a little junky Walmart short. Nothing else is present. Only little retail short. This remains intact. Nothing else is possible. It's a worthless, bearish pullback. Did we know or did we know that this would be a problem? Of course. We've been here for an hour. So this was sell-off on oil. 2018, 2019. Do you remember how critical this level was? This bright pink line at 61. Oil respected this level the entire 2019. This level is out, oil in free fall. That's the power of the system. You're witnessing this level in front of you, not just on oil long term, but you're witnessing this level in front of you on S&P little retail chart. That's the power of the system. You can trade it all. Agree? We knew that this would be a problem long before it played out. This is where April rallied from critical support in 2020. It's identical level on Apple. And here's Amazon right now struggling to break through. This is your long-term investment decisions. But you don't have to wait for months and years to see the power of the system. You see it in front of you every single day. The reason why crawl is on is because institutions holding longs, very mild profit taking is on. It's nothing. It's a joke. It's little retail profit taking. Intelligent trader knows this. Intelligent trader knows the difference between multi-billion-dollar position and few $1,000 position. And that's the reason for success of my incredible traders. System is simple. Pure price for entry and Fibonacci for exit. You will never, ever, ever need anything else. So when hedge fund manager in London triples his position and bringing his 14-year-old son to the course, Dominic knows if he could do this after 3 weeks in the course, he knows what he will do for the rest of his life. System is simple. Green means buy. If institutional bias is long and rules are met, take a trade. If red line is present, do not enter into. Institutional trader knows this. There is no surprise. That's the difference. 14-year-old versus institutional trader. Boom. It is that simple. You decide what you want to trade. Ultimate precision, ultimate power during the worst market conditions. If you can manage these markets, if you can trade these markets, you can trade anything. And that's the power of the system. We knew this before it played out. And that's only 45 minutes with my students. So when price reverses and giving you long, from this support, is anyone surprised? Should not be. Bearish pullback is worthless. Bullish trade is moving higher. What is the problem in current market? It's very, very high. So if you're buying, you absolutely must obey the rules for your exits. Correct? But this is critical support. It's exact same place where Amazon rallied from. It's all the same, traders. We knew that this support would be crucial, critical. It's identical on gold, on cryptocurrency, on pound, on Saudi instruments, on anything you choose to trade. It only took 14 years to develop. You decide what you want to trade. No indicators here. So here's a long trade reaching critical target, correct? We discussed and you saw clearly the reversal from bearish trade to bullish trade. Here's your critical target, decision point 2. Is everyone seeing this? You wanted to see the system and live markets. This is what you get when you come to the trading room. Intelligent trader understands market extremely high. Intelligent trader understands price crushed from this target 80+% of the time. Correct? That's it. And these are the worst market conditions. And this is the ultimate precision. You don't need indicators. You need pure price and Alpha Fibonacci system. Welcome to the course. Boom! Second morning. Congratulations, Jeff. I will make sure that you will become full-time trader. So at least 70% of our students who come to me either retired or on the verge of retirement. I make it very simple for you to become only trader. So you can work 1-2 hours maximum per week. I promise you. Second day in the course, Jeff will be my friend for life. Because if Jeff will make an effort, The skies are the limit. And when Adnan will bring his kids to the course, boom. I love what I do. It is that simple. Blushing. Thank you, traders, for another incredible day in our trading room. I look forward to the class tomorrow. You witness the worst market conditions with the power of Alpha Fibonacci system. So on second day in the course, Jeff says system works. How complicated is it? This is Jeff's third hour here. Second morning. If Jeff can do this, third hour here, so can you. This is how simple system is. So if you come to the website and you're done with torture, you're done with pain, you're ready to trade as institutional traders do, I mentor you identical system I mentor to JP Morgan trader. I mentor you identical system I mentor to Saudi hedge fund manager. So enjoy. Because if I will decide to do something else, that's it. Limited license of software available. Every single year I release only limited number license of software. You can listen to Brad's podcast here. You can listen to Emmanuel's podcast. Adnan is Emmanuel's friend. I cannot wait to do podcast with Emmanuel. You can listen to Ken's podcast, to begin up Pablo's podcast. And have you seen the text I received from Carlton on Christmas? Let me remind you next. All you have to do is view what students do all over the world. All you have to do is make an effort. All you have to do is choose the option available to you. What is institutional system worth to you? Few $1,000s? Take advantage until it's available. Savings up to $3,000 from each package. Videos, modules available 24/7. Live classes also. As of right now, 4 days per week. But if I stop teaching live because I decide to do something else, you can enjoy hundreds of videos of libraries. And I look forward to receive text like this from you. Boom. That's it. You don't need anything else. That's it. That's the way to start New Year. So listen to Carlton's podcast. Listen to all of these traders, because if they can do it, so can you. If a 14-year-old child can do it, so can you. Anyone can. All you have to do, make an effort. And I look forward to receiving texts like this from you. That's it. I simply love, in capital letters, what I do. And that one morning in the trading room. And that's the power of the system in front of you. Shock or not, we knew this before it played out. Any questions for me, do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Because when this offer is done, all the fees will go drastically higher. This is multi-million-dollar system available as of right now for very few $1,000s. And I work with you in private mentoring. 99.9% of my mentees finish within a couple of sessions. I hold your hand, I say 1, 2, 3, place a trade. That's it. This is how